first term is trial. Trial means a random or a experiment or an action which has to be performed. Trial means you are performing or you are doing an action. For example, if you are rolling a die, that rolling a die is a trial. Is a trial. If you are tossing a coin, then you are tossing a coin. It means you are doing some experiment or you are doing some action. Then that tossing a coin is a trial. Now, after trial, there is a term outcomes. Outcome means the result of trial. It means the result of action that you perform. Like if you are tossing a coin, the result is either head or tail. It means the outcomes are head or tail. Similarly, in rolling a die, outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the third term is event. That is most important. Event is collection of some or all outcomes of a trial. It means if you are doing an action or if you are performing an experiment and you are getting some outcomes, you are getting some results, then the collection of some outcomes or collection of all outcomes together makes an event. What does this event mean? Like I am giving you the example, tossing of a coin. Tossing a coin. This is considered as trial. Outcomes are head and tail. These two are outcomes. Now, what is the event in this section? Event in this trial is, if I say that find the probability to get one head. Find the probability to get one head. It means you will find the probability in which the head will appear. So this outcome, you are taking only head as outcome in this event. So the event will be the collection of some outcome. So the event will be getting a head. This is the event, that you are doing an action and under this action you are putting some condition that from this action I want something from outcome. So getting a head is an event in this probability. For same, if I say that roll a die, okay, so trial will be rolling a die. Now outcomes are, what are the outcomes? Outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You cannot say that 3 is not an outcome. No. Outcomes means all of the possible result of a trial. Now, if I say that getting an even number, find the probability of getting an even number in this trial. Even number means 2, 4, 6. So, event will be now getting an even number, and getting an even number means you are taking 2, 4, 6 as outcome. So in this trial, rolling a die, we considered outcome as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and event is getting an even number. It means 2, 4, 6. These only 3 numbers will come in event, but all 6 numbers will considered in outcome. So this is the difference between trial, outcome and event. Now the fourth term, or you can say that you have to find the probability. So the formula for probability is probability you denote by P of any event E. First of all, you will find the probability of obviously any event, which that getting an even number, getting a prime number, getting a number that is greater than 4. So these all are events, and you will find what is the probability of that event. So what is the probability of that event? Number of trials number of trials that are favorable to event E upon total number of trials. This is the most important formula to find the probability of any event, and this formula will be used in the complete chapter of your syllabus. Okay, so this is the formula that says probability of any event is number of trials that are favorable to event E upon total number of trials. Let's understand this formula by help of one example. Okay.